Yeah, we can put it on the bench out there. Just reorient it. Because I think from this point on, we'll probably be back.
We're working.
Yeah.
The only thing you didn't do is change. But,
I tell you.
and
Plop it on and lift the hull thing up, put it on, and then rotate it, plop it on.
Plop it.
Lift the hull
So
thing
we
up,
want to file that.
plop it.
So we want to file that.
I'm going out. And then, because he's never going to be on that side.
Well, it'd be very.
Okay, so this is new for me. I've never.
How do you want to?
Well, you take the far corner.
Okay.
Since you've done it before, so you kind of know what.
Okay.
It's going to sit on here, right?
Yeah. And we can just keep it on there, it doesn't have to come up.
Roll the top.
Can we slide up?
Okay. Are we inside the perimeter?
Yes. Here a minute?
Yes.
Okay, because still we.
Now we can just kind of rotate and push it back this way. There's. Tom, can you slide down that top? Is it in?
It's good, it's in.
All right. Ram her home. Okay.
Oh, Gene.
Maybe just a 2 inches. Same thing. Okay.
You don't pinch somebody's fingers.
Same thing. Okay.